morning, students. Today we discuss about the mutations theory and the professor which objects the mutations theory. So well, it is first discovered by the scientist Hugh de Rice in 19th centuries. Where Professor Hugh de Rice in 19th century. So what he observed? He observed that the mutations are perform the main role. Not main role. It's one of the important role in the theory of organic evolutions are there. So well, theory it's a sudden, rapid, and spontaneous. It can be happen anytime. But the main plant is that when the Hugh de Rice are performing the experiment, so he found that the primrose evening plant we having to perform the mutations itself. So the mutation variants are variant means the offspring are different from their parent characters. So they are inheritable and they may be discontinuous after some time. अगर मतलब इनकेस कुछ नया प्लांट बन भी गया तो बाद में वो डिसकंटिन्यू हो जाता है, मतलब एक ही बार बनता है. सो इट इज इनहेरिटेबल, ओके, एंड इट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द पेरेंट्स कंटिन्यू. इट इज अ डिसकंटिन्यूअस, मतलब वो कंटिन्यू नहीं रहता है. अगर एक once a plant, once organism are produce are there, so it will stop. It will not to continue. So and it non-variant. This is the it is not a normal plant. It is a non-variant. It is not simple to. It is not similar to anyone. Okay. Well, the mutations you can say that well it is a raw material for evolutions. You have to make anything or you have to make anything. So there is requirement of, if you are making chapati, so you need your atta. So atta is your raw material. So raw material mutations are raw material for organic evolutions. Then mutations are maybe useful or maybe harmful. Useful for what? For the natural selection. And harmful for what? Well, sometimes it is having a harmful effect on the nature. So what the nature does, it's naturally diminish the mutations experiments, and mutations are going to be non-continuously. कभी भी हो सकता है, spontaneously है, non-variants है, and it is different from the theory. And the formation of a new variants or formation of new different form, it's called the mutations theory. जो भी नया जो plant है, organism जो हो रहा है, born हो रहा है, it's your mutations. This is your mutations theory. So what the scientist de Rice said that, well, the sudden variations are called mutations. जो sudden variations आते हैं, sudden आते हैं, discontinuous आता है, rapid है, कभी भी आ सकता है. It's not known कि चलो भी अभी आ रहा है. Any environment, any time, anywhere, any living organism can produce mutations theory. So this is all about. So he also observed that some variants are produced more variations. Offspring तो ज़्यादा बन रहे, लेकिन बाद में वो continue नहीं करा. ऐसा टोल्ड यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ जीरो. पहले छोटे लेंथ के थे, फिर बाद में बड़े लेंथ के भी. छोटे लेंथ तो पूरे मर गए, जो बड़े लेंथ वाले वो अभी जिंदा है, दे आर एग्जिस्टेंस. सो दिस इज आल्सो मैकेनिज्म फाउंड हियर. म्यूटेशन मे बी यूजफुल और मे बी हार्मफुल. accumulation of these mutations over a period of time leads to origin and establishment of new species. ये एक बेनिफिट ये भी हो सकता है कि जो इस्टेब्लिशमेंट ऑफ न्यू स्पेसीज, क्योंकि म्यूटेंट है, वेरिएंट्स है. अगर वेरिएंट्स है तो पेरेंट्स से तो डिफरेंट हो गया, तो डिफरेंट हो गया मतलब क्या, न्यू स्पेसीज हो रहा है ना. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर म्यूटेशंस थ्योरी. थैंक यू सो मच.